I like it. Welcome back to another episode of whatever this is. Today I'm going to replace the horrible, too short, flimsy prop rod and put on some hood struts. Found the cheapest ones I could find on Amazon, about $27. I'll link to it in the description below. I'll start by taking these two off, just two 12s. And I did mark with a pen in case the hood shifts a little bit. I'll tighten that up. And let's get this lower bracket. Set it right in. Get it nice and snug, and then we'll pop the strut on. Start with the lower one. Lift up the hood, that thing down, pop that in, and it's good. Okay, there is the passenger side. Pop that on. And there you have it. Way better. Check out that new angle. I like it. Don't forget to take your old prop rod out. Go forward. Go that way. And work it out. That's going in the trash. I hope this was helpful. If it was, maybe one of those. Thanks for watching.